Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Happy Tuesday morning. We are back for another live trading session, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. All right. So we are September 3rd. Are we? September? Yeah, September 3rd. Time is flying. Crazy. Crazy stuff, man. Already September, man. The summer, went so fast. Crazy. So yeah, new month, new trading month. Let's fucking go. So if you were in the red previous month, just erase that. If you were in the blue, erase that. And we're starting from scratch. New month, new goal, new money coming in your account. Let's go. All right, let me just double check something very quickly here. Just want to check. Did I send the message here? Um, yeah, I think we're good. Okay, we're good. All right, so I hope you guys ready. All right, let me see here. Hey, Sasha, greets from Amsterdam. Amsterdam, what's up, Otter? Hope you're doing good, man. Man, I got some message about this. Back then we were streaming a lot with it was a lot on Roger Stream, and now they had another guy that they always making fun of was Don Vu or Controller Effects. So funny. Not funny at all actually, but this guy was already like a little like special in my mind. Never had any comment about this guy, but now it's like he fucked up a lot of accounts. Like he had a pam account, first pam account, guys. Man, you got to learn those skills for yourself. Stop trusting anyone about a pam account. But that's just my thought. Yeah. Anyway, so he lost like over $1 million like in no time. Um, 95% of the account was blown from everyone. Crazy. Anyways, all right. Let's focus on our shit. All right. Let's get it down, baby. Oh, let's get this banner going. By the way, guys, if you're jumping in, please say hi in the chat. Let me know where you guys from. I want to know. I'm curious, but let this thing rolling, rolling, rolling. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's start. All right, so let's start with GJ. Boom. All right. And we have a new month now, so I'm just curious. So when we start a new month, I'm always curious to see, like on the monthly, where we at. And just all right. So the monthly here, if you look, last month closed as a doji with a huge rejection to the downside. So this is a lot of rocket fuel for the next monthly candle. So technically, in this monthly already broke previous high also. So it looks like we're probably going to be able to finally push up on GJ. Let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly did form lower low. I would love to see the weekly does something like this, but that's gonna take a while. That's gonna take a fucking while. Yeah. So I don't know about that one. Might gonna take a couple weeks. Let's take a look now at the daily. So basically now, if we're focusing now on what we got here, we got the weekly bearish, the daily is bearish. We finally have a pullback. I mean, not finally, but we're getting closer to this daily golden zone, which is the area where I love and like to sell. We got the 4 hour. 4 hours already bearish since a long time. So since what? July 24. I mean July 30th, 2024. We've been bearish. So anything in between those two red line guys is just bearish structure, right? So if you have your chart like this, and you're zoomed in like this, you think that 4 hours is bullish, right? But in reality, 4 hours bearish. So we never broke above this lower high. So we're still bearish here. All right, cool. So we got the weekly, the daily, and the 4 hour bearish. Damn. All right, cool. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour now is bearish. Are we? Yes, we created new high here. You see? So this is a pretty good example here. Looks like we created new high here. And that was the new high low, and now we broke under, so now we're bearish. All right, cool. All right, cool. So we got a 1 hour. By the way, guys, you guys are quiet in the chat. What is going on here? Like, and if you have, sorry, guys. Let me know if you have any pairs you want to break down. Also, if you have any trade idea, any questions, guys, stop me. The only reason why I'm doing those streams is for you. The rest, I don't really give a shit. Um, sorry, but it's the truth. I'm not doing that for myself. I'm not doing that because I like to be on YouTube, and just trust me, I got other stuff to do. But I know for me, if I help one person, I'm feeling good about it, right? So that's the real reason why I'm doing it. So, um, and I get those DMs about people saying, "Hey, man, thank you so much. You helped a lot, man. I'm good, you know, one like that, and I'm pretty good." So, by the way, guys, as you're coming in, don't forget to smash the goddamn like button, right? Oh no, allergy season is starting again. This is sad. All right, so now what we're waiting for, GJ. We're gonna be waiting for the pullback on the 1 hour. Yep, that looks good. So if we can have like a pullback here, something like that to come down, that'll be great. That'll be great. But the only thing I don't like, just want to see something. Oh no, we're good. 30-minute is also bearish. Perfect. All right, so we're going to be waiting for this. Cool. What about GM? GN, are we still interested in GN? Let's check it out. So, what the fuck? Wait, what? Oh, because I'm on the monthly. Sash, yeah. All right, weekly. Yeah, okay. All right, so weekly is bullish. So we got the weekly bullish. We got the nice pullback here at this daily area of interest, which is also major QP, which is also the weekly golden zone. And I'm pretty sure we respected the safety net here. Let's check it out. Here we go. Safety net is right here, so respected. That's good. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. Daily time frame is bullish. Awesome. So far we got the weekly and the daily bullish. We are at the daily area of interest, and as right now we're breaking above again and above that major QP. Let's check out 4 hour. 4 hour is bullish. Looks like this week's gonna be it's gonna be very interesting. Very interesting. Okay, so now can anyone tell me what we need to wait here? So we got the weekly, the daily, and the 4 hour bullish. Do we want to buy here? The answer is no. We want to buy at a potential high low, you know? So we're gonna wait. Now we got a bearish candle, but it looks like it's gonna be a booby trap candle. But just for learning purposes, boom. Technically, I would wait for a pullback around this area. Okay. But yeah, so GM, I'm still interested. Finally interested. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And Friday we had a nice engulfing candle forming support. So that's beautiful. This one already broke previous high. We're still pretty slow. Looks like we might continue. Have a continuation here. This 4 hour broke previous high. I just need a pullback, So same thing with the 1 hour. Now 1 hour just form a new high right here. All right, cool. Let's go check GBBCHF, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, don't forget to smash the goddamn like button, man. What's going on? Is it defect? Yo. Smash that goddamn like button, guys. Okay. So let's check it out. Where are we at? We are on the weekly time frame now. On GBBCHF, we are bearish. We got a nice pullback. So we did form a new lower low. We got price coming to this weekly area of interest. If you look to the left, we got support, support. We got resistance, resistance, support, 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 whatever. Okay, so nice area of interest right here. We did form resistance, ready to push down. We didn't went to the weekly golden zone, but I'm pretty sure we reached the 382 level, which is also another rejection level right on it. Okay, so we're right on that 382. All right, so now we got the weekly bearish. We got the daily bearish. Um, yeah, we got the daily bearish right here. We got the 4 hour bearish since a while. Now we're just playing here. All right, let's go check 1 hour. So 1 hour did form a new higher high over here. And once we broke under, we went bearish. We had a lower low, and now we just had a new lower low. I'm going fast, guys, but stop me. Stop me if you have any question, please. And let me know. Let me know where you're from. If it's your first time here, also, I'm curious. Always like to see who we have in the chat, and even if you're not new, just drop a hi. Want to know who's there. You guys are way too quiet this morning. You guys usually have questions, comments. Tell me that I'm due for my hair, please. I'm going today. All right, let's go check out the 1 hour. We said, all right, cool. And 30 minute now went bullish here. Boom, boom, boom. We went bearish from there to there. Bullish. And right now, hold on, wait a second. Yeah, okay. So let me grab those 2 lines. So if you look, we went bullish from here to here, and we're still bullish on 30 minute right now. Wait a second. Wait a second. That is not true. We are bullish from there to there. Yep. All right, from this point to this point, we're bullish. We never broke above. You see how important it is sometimes to go back in time? That would have been a pretty good mistake here. So not that it's gonna change anything, but just like right here. Now that I spotted that on 30 minute, I need to go back on H1 just to make sure I got my stuff good, and this one is good. So perfect. Perfect. So just waiting on this pullback now on H1. Even if the 30 minute is not bearish, I'm not saying I'm not going to take the trade. I'm saying that if I do so, I will just reduce my risk, and have some risk management there. Make sense? Right. Let's go. All right, let's go check Euro GPY. By the way, guys, if you have any trade idea, let me know. Let me know if you want to go review it. Euro GPY. And by the way, those charts right there, I'm just going over it with you. I didn't look at the market yesterday. Yesterday, looking at the market would be such a waste of time. I don't know if anyone wasted some times yesterday, but I mean, it was a major bank holiday for the US and Canada. So, when this happened, it's going to be low volume in the market, right? So yeah, so it was kind of a waste of time. So I didn't look at the market at all yesterday. So this is my first time looking at the market this week, actually this month. So let's go, man. All right, cool. So now let's focus. Euro GPY, we got the weekly bearish. We got the pullback here at this weekly area of interest. We got support here, support, resistance, resistance. We got major QP 163. All right. Now, if you look at the daily, we are also bearish on the daily. And what about the 4 hour? 4 hours bearish. 1 hour. Ooh, 1 hour went bullish like a madman yesterday. Okay, so here we had a new high from there to there. Let me zoom this. All right, so from here to here, actually, wait a second. So that would be like one candle. That's not even an elbow. So wait a second here. So here, that was it. From there to there, not even. Not even. Here we failed on creating boom, boom, boom. So yeah, that would be a one candle thing. So no matter what, we broke under that support. So no matter if you counted this as an elbow or not, no matter what, we broke unders and now we're bearish. So at this stage, it doesn't really matter. All right. So now, do you want to sell here? The answer is no. Once again, you want to sell at a potential lower high. You know, not at lower. You don't want to sell at a lower low. Very, very important. Okay. 30 minute. 30 minute is also bearish. Where's my lines here? From there. And I'm telling you, those lines, man, oops. Sorry. Those lines are super good. What am I doing here? See, ADHD trying to talk and explain at the same time and mark this chart. This is a lot for me. Plus looking and making sure you guys smashing that like button also. So got distracted. All right, cool. So Euro GPY right now, no. Well, I mean, we need that pullback, so it's doable today. It's doable today. 4 hours already bearish. So far those ones gonna stay on my watch list because they're about to play out. Man, somebody sent me a message saying that the market looked like a lot of counter trend trades, and I was like, not that much. Um, if you're looking now this weekly on Euro NZD, we are bullish. Price coming down to this weekly golden zone, which is also the weekly area of interest. Now we broke it. So let's find out. Did we add another area of interest here on the weekly? Let's go check on the daily. Whoa, we're right at this support. Okay. Okay. So this, man, Euro NZD, to be honest, I don't think I would touch it before next week. Okay, so now let me explain why. Since when we go on the daily, we're super close to the support, right? We're about to flip bearish on the daily. I would love to see this weekly form support, and after that, write this thing up. Okay, to be honest, if I do enter this trade, it's going to be on the break over here, so it's not going to happen today. So I need to break, come down, retest this area to push back up. So it's not going to happen today. So I'm going to put that boom here. So I'm not ready for this one. GA weekly, we are bullish. We're just, man, for the past what, 1, 2, 3, like almost 4 weeks now, we're just playing in this range. We came down to retest previous structure, came down to the day golden zone, weekly area of interest. A lot of things make sense here. Daily is already bullish. 4 hour is bear. All right, so again, same thing here. We need the 4 hour to go bullish. All right, not my favorite one, but we'll keep it here. NZD-GPY. Let's check it out. NZD-GPY, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So if you're looking here, weekly is bearish. The daily is also bearish. Man, let me stand up. I need to wake up. I need to wake up, ladies and gentlemen. Ugh. Okay. Okay. Whoa. This way too high. What's going on with my setting like that? Okay, I guess we're good now. What about this? Like this. All right, we're good. All right, let's get going. Needed to stand up. Okay, so let's focus. Into the GPY, we said weekly we are bearish. The daily is bearish, and the 4 hour now is bullish. All right. All right. I mean, we don't need this because now we are bearish. Yeah, so now we're bearish here. Oops. All right, so once again, do you want to sell at a lower low or at a lower high? And you want to sell at a lower high. So basically now we just form a new lower low. So let me wait for the pullback, retest previous structure or golden zone on the H4 and get down to business. Get down, and move even around. No, clear I cannot sing. Okay, so NZD is staying on the watch list for sure because we got weekly bearish, daily bearish, 4 hour bearish. Now what about the 1 hour? 1 hour is also bearish. All right, cool. Just waiting on pullback. Awesome, man. There's this one's flipping from blue to green because it's getting ready. Just need a pullback. Man, people were saying that this week looks like shit. Like I'm like, shoot, there's a lot of nice one right now. Like I don't know how these people look at the chart, but I find this one is exciting. I mean not this one, but this week. Okay, let's see. Oh, I think there's some comment popping up. Sorry, man. Forgot the chat, guys. Keep telling you to write in the chat, and I forgot about the chat. Sorry. Good morning, Sasha. Good morning, Bilal, man. Hope you're doing great. Who's here? Joe, how you doing? Hope as well. Waiting to short gold. All right, gold, baby. Gold is the one thing that make this guy blows everyone account. Oh man, this guy was, anyways. I remember Roger always making fun of him because he was trying to, like, he was doing the same mimic in the same. I don't know. I should not judge, I guess, because I never really watched it. I think I watched one of his stream once because I was super curious. But yeah, whatever. Okay, let's focus. Daily. All right, let's start. Weekly, we are bearish. We're gonna pull back. Now at this stage, I mean, we had our trade on this one. It was a paper trade, obviously. It was with students. We took that. Played out pretty nicely, but now we're getting to the support. You see this rejection to the support. So now at this stage, this one is gone. We're gonna have to wait. Yeah, it's just boom later. All right, ADGPY weekly bearish. We're starting to have this tiny pullback so far. We went to this major QP of 100, got rejected, which is probably 382 also, if I'm not wrong. Let me put this over here. And yeah, close to 382 though. Not really at it, but getting close. All right, what about the daily? The daily is also bearish. 4 hour is 4 now is bullish. Oh, actually no. We were bullish, and now we are bearish. So same thing here. Man, there's a lot of remove, a lot of great opportunity. Wait a second. Non, laisse-la ouverte. On va penser, je vais aller fermer encore. Sorry, guys. Okay. Sorry, where was I? The wifey was leaving for work. Okay. Let's see here. All right, we said weekly. All right, weekly we are bearish. And we got the daily bearish also, 4-hour. Now we just flip bearish. Okay, so basically, again, just waiting for the pullback here. So I'm gonna be waiting for this to go down. What about the 1-hour? Is 1-hour already bearish? Looks like it. Where's my lines? Lines, where are you? Oh, you're up there. Boom. All right, so H1 lower high and H1 lower low. So once again, huge drop. Wait for the pullback, guys. Wait for the no pullback, no trades. Okay, please. Okay. So 80 GPY also going to be flipping green here because I mean we got 3 time frame in sync, and now just waiting for pullback. Yo, this week's gonna be fire. I mean, hopefully. Let's take a look at GCAD, ladies and gentlemen. GCAD. We are bullish on the weekly. We are bullish on the daily. We went to this weekly golden zone, rejected. If you look at the daily, daily's probably 382 at this stage. Exactly. All right. 4-hour. Oh. 4-hour was bearish here from there to there. And look at this. We are about to close bullish. So once this candle is going to be closed, which is in like 56 minutes, now we're going to be able to move this line up here and this one up here, and that's going to be our new high, and we're going to be waiting for pullback. So far this one's going to stay blue because we got 2 time frame in sync. Yeah. So let's move on to GA. Let me just check on my dogs for 1 second, guys. Oh. All right, doggy are secured. Okay. GA weekly we are bullish, daily we are bullish, but man, what a mess. What about 4-hour? 4-hour is still bearish. Let's place an alert here. It's gonna say H4 going bullish. And I'm gonna say here, let's say the price goes down here. I'm gonna say H4 creating new lower low. Okay, NTDCHF. This one was on the watch list for Krish, if I'm not wrong, because it was looking for a day trade at the moment. But now let's just check where we at. We are right in this weekly golden zone, so this is going to be clearly not a day trade anymore. We are in the weekly golden zone. We are rejecting this major QP. Okay. What about the daily? Daily is bullish, and yep. So here we have an elbow on top, so we're good. So I'm gonna place an alert here, saying daily going bearish. All right, cool. So this one is gonna be blue. We only have like we don't have any. I mean, we got a 4 hour, I guess. 4 hour went bullish from here to here. Yeah. So we're bullish on H4. We're bullish on the daily, but we are bearish on the weekly. So basically, I mean, this should not. You know what? I'm going to keep it orange because there's there's no. We're clearly yes, we do have two time frame in sync, but they're going against where I want to go. So just put it orange. Just keep an eye on it because I love those big pullbacks here on the weekly. I think that can give us a nice RR to the downside. So yeah. So clearly, once we're gonna be breaking this, we're just gonna be waiting on the retest, and we're gonna go down, baby. Um, let's see here. No pullback, no trade, absolutely no exception under no circumstance. Let's go, Joe. Joe, if you got only this, it's perfect. Perfect. USD GPY, sure. USD GPY. It's funny, like when I started to trade like a couple years ago was my main pair. And I thought USD GPY was moving so fast back then until I met GJ and gold. Uh, now I feel like USD GPY sometimes move as fast as my grandmother. But yeah. We are bearish on the weekly time frame. We are bearish on the day. Oh, did we form a new low here? Looks like it. All right, so this is our new lower low, and this is our new lower high. Okay, so we got the weekly bearish and the daily bearish. So once we have that, now let's see. This is clearly an area of interest right here. We got another support here, another support there, resistance there. Okay, and we got 147. So you know what? Let me just mark this 147 major QP because it looks like it's big problem here. All right, so we got this major QP being respected. What? Perfect. All right, all right. So weekly bearish. It's a small pullback though on the weekly. Very small pullback, but at the same time, we came down to retest this previous structure. Yeah. Honestly, I personally don't like those small pullbacks. But if everything else makes sense, willing to take it with a smaller risk. Here, we need to understand that this is the reason why I personally will not be interested in this trade. And let me break it down. It's very simple. Um, I mean, this here we just formed support. This previous candle before 2 weeks ago had no wick at the bottom. Also, we did form support with the candle. The only thing that kind of I'm trying to find the word in English. Kind of balance it out, it's because this one went and broke the low, so and it's a smaller body candle. So if it's still possible to go down, honestly, I'm not in love with the idea, especially that this week already broke previous high, respected previous low. So for me, this price action, I don't really like it, to be honest. Now if you go down to the 4 hour, let's see, where is the 4 hour? We're still bearish here. So we're still bearish on H4. We are bearish on the daily, bearish on the weekly. So yes, you do have three time frame in sync, so that looks good. So here on H4, the problem, I hate, I hate so much when the price does this, and after that just play in this range for so long without creating a new lower low or low high. So there's so many times where people lost their money in this range because people don't really know, are we continuation to the downside, or are we going to come back above, or just price doesn't know what to do in here. You know, we've been bearish since like August. When was that? Oh, this is the 4 hour time frame. So August 1st, you know. So for 1 month, we're just not creating a new lower low or higher high, you know. So it's kind of effy here. Let's check out the H1. See, where's my lines? I have no lines. Weird. All right, cool. So anyways, so we create a new, yeah. So we're bearish here on the H1. So place this line here, lower low. Perfect. So yeah, here, like I said, I'm not against the trade. I think the trade makes sense, and you know what? I'm gonna flag it orange so I keep track on it. Who was that? That was Brian. So Brian, I think it's I think it's a okay trade. To be honest, it's not my favorite because of the pullback and the way that the price action is playing out. But if I was to enter this trade, I would just like, instead of going with like, let's say 3% or 2%, I would probably go with a 1%, even maybe a 0.5. Let's say I just want to test it out and see if this would play out. I don't want to put my money at risk, but I still want to experience it and have something to journal. And next time when the same thing show up, I'm gonna be like, yeah, this played out a couple of times already. So yeah, I'm ready to go with 3%. You know, so yeah, so just reduce your risk. You know, just reduce your risk if someone is not certain, 100%. You know, because don't forget, guys, trading is all about probability. Okay, you want the odds in your favor, and after that, it's risk management game, right? So that's why on my end now I'm super, like, I'm way more patient than what I was before. I think as a trader you evolve, you learn stuff. After a couple of years you realize that, yeah, you know what, even if I miss this trade, I don't give a fuck because market's going to be there tomorrow, it's going to be there next week, it's going to be there next month, it's going to be there next year, you know. So after a while you realize like, yeah, even if I don't trade for 1 week, it's okay, you know, it's okay. It took me so long to understand that. It took me so long to understand that. There's people that takes like 5, 10 trades a day. That's crazy. Or this guy, Control FX, took 300 trades in 1 day, and they let this guy stream on YouTube. I'm like, fuck me. And I can believe too, he had like hundreds of people live. I was like, oh my god, man, this is crazy. Like, this is where I don't get it. This is why people like, they like the flashing stuff, you know, they like the um the shiny thing, in trading gold is so shiny, right? It's good, so cool, yeah, whatever. Anyways, let's focus here. Where we at? Where we at? People, Euro CHF, we did it. Euro entity, we did it. Entity CAD. Entity CAD weekly. We are. Hey, by the way, guys, if you have any other trade idea you want to take a look at, let me know. So, Brian, hopefully that was answering the question. I mean, it was not really a question. You just said USD GPY, but I mean, look at this shit. Look at NZD CAD, man. Fuck, this is horrible. Yeah, get the fuck out of there. GU. GU. All right. GU starting to have this pullback now. Daily. Daily bullish. All right, so we got a weekly bullish, the daily bullish. 4 hour, obviously bearish. Why obviously? Because I mean, we are having to pull back on the high time frame. So technically, most of the time, the lower time frame will go bearish. All right. So I clearly want to keep an eye on this guy because I like this. This is clean, you know, like this is clean. So now let's just establish if our things are good still. Um, Now that we formed this, let's find out. Do we have any weekly area of interest? Um, Looks like this area is a pretty solid one. Boom, boom, boom. All right, cool. So we're gonna say weekly area of interest. Cool. Let me just delete this for now. And let's find out about the weekly golden zone. I like this. So we got the weekly golden zone and the weekly area of interest pretty much in sync here. Um, I like this. I like this. Great. Which is also previous structure and which is major QP. Whoa. Okay. Damn. Major QP. Here we go. Damn, ladies and gentlemen. So this is going to be like. Let me put an alert here. GU in the making area. Like this. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Let's fucking go. Yeah, GU, I'm gonna keep an eye on this one. I'm gonna put the blue because don't want to forget. Actually, I'm gonna put it here. So this is super clean. It's not close to be ready, guys. Okay, it's not even close to be ready. It might take like, because don't forget, you're looking at the weekly time frame right now. Okay, so this is 1 week. All right, so we probably gonna need like a second, probably a third week to go down. So 1 week, 2 weeks, and maybe a third week to form support. So maybe in 3 weeks or a month, there's gonna be like a nice trade here. Maybe faster. We don't know. That's why I'm gonna keep an eye on it. But looks super dope. This is clean. Like this is clean. Look at this weekly like time frame. This is clean. We're creating higher high, higher lows. And look at this shit here. At the decaf. Just to understand the difference. Where is it? Look at this weekly. Like, is that clean? Is that any clean? The answer is no. This is ugh. Okay. Let's go. Um, Joe, gotch my short goal 200 pips target. Finger crossed. You should not cross your finger, bro. This is not about luck. This is about trusting your analysis. Stay with me, guys. I need to get something clean. Yeah. So Joe, there's no luck here. No luck involved. But sending you positive thought. Okay. Let's go back. Let's go back. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Euro GBP. Did we do Euro GBP? Oh, whoa. All right. So weekly is very low here. Daily just flip bearish. Yeah, did did. So the daily is bearish now. Okay, so I'm not interested EuroCAD, EuroCAD. Exit 3 plus 3. Yeah, good luck, man. But good luck. Good job. Good job, man. But again, saying those, saying those, Joe, doesn't mean anything. You know, keep telling you, like every time you show up here, keep telling you, instead of saying, hey, got my short gold, 200 pips target. Instead of that, send us your chart and said, hey, look at what I'm thinking. I'm thinking about taking this trade there to there because this reason and this reason and this reason. By sharing this, you help others, you know. By just saying this, I mean, doesn't help anyone, you know, and we don't even know if it makes sense or not, you know. So that's it. Let's help each other. Let's help each other out here, you know. So saying I'm getting in and getting out, it's cute. It's very cute, but doesn't help anyone. All right, so mm, 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 mm. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame here. We are bullish. What about the daily? Daily is bearish now. Daily. Man, I was really looking for it. Okay, and 4 hour is 4 hour is bullish now. All right, so nothing for us on this one. Perfect. Euro AUD. Horrible. Not interested. USD CHF. Yeah, that was a nice paper trade also. The students on this one. Let's remove this now. Yeah, that played out pretty nicely. Can we have a continuation trade here? Looks like still bearish here. Now we just form a new lower low, so now we can remove this golden zone, and now we can have daily golden zone here. Let me check. I'm gonna place an alert here. Entering GZ. All right, cool. What else? What else? What else? What else? Euro CHF. Another one that played out pretty nicely on the paper trade. Whoa. All right, so EuroCAD, we looked at it. Euro AUD. All right, so Euro AUD. Bullish on the weekly, bearish on the daily. Horrible. Not interested. NZD USD, not interested. Oh, maybe. I might be interested. Okay, hold on. Wait a second. Here's the difference. Yes, we've been playing around here, but it looks like now we got a solid move to the upside. Look at the daily forming a new high. And now we got a pullback. So let's establish here an area of interest, which got resistance here, resistance there. So no, only 2 touches. This one is very solid. All right, so let's use this one here. So daily area of interest. Number one. I'm gonna put number two right away. Look at this. We also have the golden zone really close to it. Okay, I kind of like this one. 4 hour. 4 now is bearish because we're getting the pullback. So that's good. Okay, okay. Cool. So, I'm gonna keep an eye on this guy. I'm gonna keep an eye on this guy. I think we got enough now. But let's just check, just to update the chart. 80 CAD. We said no, I think. 80 CAD. What the fuck? What a mess. I hate when Pride does that. I really hate it. Look at this. So this is a perfect example. So we create a new high. Price come down to this weekly golden zone, major QP, previous structure, ready to push up. We have a nice support form engulfing. Price goes up to here and boom, form resistance. So we failed on creating, we failed on creating a new high by breaking this high. So most of the time when we do fail on creating a new high here, there's a big chance that now price will just get the fuck out of there and reverse. Sad, but it's part of the game. All right, so the weekly is bearish here on CAD GPY. Daily is bearish. We're starting to have the pullback, and 4 hour is horrible, but it's bullish. Just to update my chart. Here we go. AD/USD. AUD/USD. Wow. Okay, wait a second. All right. So, am I interested into this? Look at this, man. Since guys, since August 2022, 2 fucking years in that range. Like, am I interested? The answer is no, not interested. CAD CHF. We are bearish on the weekly, on the daily, sorry. Weekly is bearish also. Okay. So we came up to retest previous structure here, which is also probably 382, right? Cool. 382. Okay. Daily. Did we have any daily area of interest? Looks like not much except for this one here. Which we came up to retest actually, which is also previous structure here. Okay. So we're bearish. What about the 4 hour? Whoa, 4 hours bearish for a long time. I don't like this. You don't like it. CHFGPY. I don't really trade this pair. I don't know why. I think it's because people ask questions about it. Not really interested. NZD can't, fuck it. AD, NZD. Sorry for the F-bomb, guys. Look at this weekly time frame once again. Bullshit. So not interested. And oh, somebody in the group asked. I think that was it Euro USD? I can't remember. Yeah, Euro USD. Let me go check. Euro USD, which is a red flag for me because I don't trade that pair. USD CAD either. Two major together, just like sometimes just stupid. So manipulated, crazy. Let me delete this. There we go. All right, so let's check out the weekly. Weekly is bearish. Yeah, for a long time. Once again, horrible. Um, but daily just form a new high. I mean, not just, but did form a new high. Have a nice pullback. Um, where are we at on that pullback? We are in that golden zone. All right. All right. All right. Actually, let's mark it down. Let's mark it down. There we go. 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. 4 now is bearish because we're getting this pullback actually. We cannot yet do this, but in 28 minutes, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like something like this. So I'm just gonna leave it there. Worst case, I'm gonna go update it because this candle's not closed yet, so that's why. But technically, let's say it closed like this. Now you would have the weekly bearish, which has been ranging for like 2 years. The daily is bearish. We have the pullback at the daily golden zone, and the 4 hour right now is bearish. So you would need the 4 hour to go back bullish to take this trade. So basically, you want price. You definitely want this candle to close like somewhere in here. And once we broke above, we flip back bullish, retest, go up. Okay. So Vader, this is for you. I personally do not trade this pair. And the reason is plain and simple, just like there's too much stuff that make those two pairs move like stupid sometimes. One little tweet from one of the president, and man, this shit goes retarded. So I'm like, fuck it. Where are we at here? News. Is that the news that make everything move like last night? I guess so. Yeah, today's gonna be quiet. Tomorrow's gonna be quiet. I mean, this is not crazy news. Wednesday BOC for Canada. But Friday is gonna be madness. Friday is gonna be like NFP. Okay. All right, let's go back to let's go back now. Let's do a little recap here. Okay, let me just check something. We got some message in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so we got Chris. Chris, good morning, Sensei. Was outside to so join late. Man, Chris, what's up with that? Hit the like button, guys. Let's fucking go. Currently waiting for GCAD for H4 to go bull. Same for NZCAD and NZD USD. GCAD. There's so many other pair. Where the fuck is GCAD? Oh, here. Let's go bull. Yeah, this one's about to go bull. And after that, wait for a small pullback and let's go. Are you still bearish on GJH4? We are, hold on. Yeah. Bearish from here, from like July 30th to August 5, basically. So yes. So now, can we have a dogtail setup here? Let me see. Let me check. Let me check. I would definitely prefer that to the upside. Um, yeah, definitely. Definitely will prefer that to the upside because if we do break here, we got this major QP right in our face. Where is it? 192 right here. But if this candle close above 192, yeah, I would be interested. For people that don't know what is the dogtail setup, is it's a fun name that just it's nothing crazy. It's nothing like it sounds like, oh man, what is this? When you gonna realize this is own very simple. I just call it like that just to have fun with the brand with the Fix Dogs Academy. But basically, what we do is I'm going to be waiting for the next H4 candle to form the bottom wick. Once we're going to be passing this top wick, this is where I'm going to enter. It's going to be a quick scalp. This is not the swing. This is a very quick scalp, but I'm only willing to take it to the upside if we do break and close above this major QP. If not, I'm not interested. I might go to the opposite side instead of waiting for the top wick to be formed. And once we're going to be breaking the low, it's where I'm going to take it to the downside and I have a quick scalp also. So this is something I only do at this time on this pair. Yeah. Let's see what else. What do you think about NZCAT looking for buy? Yeah, we went through it. NZCAT is like a pure vomit right now. Like it's like a big yeah big shit. You know. I was looking for the right word, man. Look at this daily, man. Daily is driving me nuts. Look at this, man. I mean, no, sorry, the weekly, man. Look at this. I mean, this is horrible. Like every time we try to break above that area, we rejected it. So I don't know. I'm not. I'm gonna wait for NZCat to create something nice. Man, we got enough nice pair right now that I don't need to bother with those stupid pairs. Like this is nice. So this is super clean. So here we got a perfect low, pullback, ready to go down. This is perfect. The weekly form a new lower low. So this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So why should I go look at those other pairs that which like effy. Look, this is super clean on the daily, super clean on the weekly. So I mean, not so clean on the daily because we got this shit here. Um, GBVCHF, clean on the daily, clean on the weekly. I mean, perfect. NZDGPY, super clean on the weekly time frame, super clean on the daily. Yeah, today kind of a range here, but still pretty clean, pretty clean. ADGPY, formula oil on the weekly. Now we're getting the pullback, daily clean. So I mean, yeah. The worst thing is when you have a pair that didn't form a new high, new low for so long, it gets hard. It gets hard because now you're like, fuck, where are we going? Are we going up or going down? Right? So you don't have clear indication. Um, yeah. Let's see. I thought so. Was the doubling minded, but you got me. They do shit. Yeah, yeah, horrible. And we have enough pairs that we don't. What the fuck is this? What did I do? Eve page. I don't know. What did I do? Oh, here we go. Alert. USDCHF entering. When was that? That just happened. When was this alert? September 3rd at 8:20. Guys, we didn't have any alert on our chart. Entering golden zone. Which golden zone? What? This is I don't get it. Oh, those are active one. I thought there was. Oh, sorry guys. Oh no, I get it. Those are my active one, not the one that had an alert. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, let's see. Do we have any questions? What time is it? 8:40. Any questions, guys? Or any other pairs you want to look at? By the way, this week I'm traveling to Phoenix on Thursday, so probably not going to be able to do a Forex talk over beer this week. But if you do have any questions, send me a DM on my Instagram or on Discord. It'd be my pleasure to help you out. I'm going to be looking at stuff on the plane, so probably going to have nothing to do for a couple of hours. So I might jump on Instagram, or I don't know. I might try to do something to give you a little update and see if we had any trade taken and try to help you the best I can. So thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Very appreciate every single one of you. And I'll try maybe to do something on Thursday, but that is not sure. If not, I'll see you next week on Tuesday morning, 7:30 a.m. ish. That's why you need to activate notification. All right, guys. Thank you so much once again. Enjoy the day. Don't do anything stupid and trade safe, guys. Have a great one. Peace out.